COVID-19 still raging here in Oklahoma. State health officials reporting more than 3,000 new infections today and sadly 39 additional deaths. Nearly 1,600 Oklahomans are in the hospital this evening, and that number is up slightly from Thursday. And there is new concern among Oklahoma's health experts when it comes to testing hesitancy. Some of our state's top doctors worry Oklahomans are not getting tested for COVID when they should, which could put others at risk. News 4's Lauren Daniels looks into the reasons why.
If you don't know you're positive, you can't be quarantined.
As unpleasant as the COVID-19 swabs can be, some doctors say the biggest reason Oklahomans are hesitant to get tested is the consequences of quarantine.
And I know that sounds really crazy to think about, but we're not always making the best choices.
A positive test result could mean you're missing long periods of work or school, or even staying home with a child in your care.
That is a concern, and that is a reasonable concern.
Dr. Mary Clark, president of the Oklahoma State Medical Association, says although those concerns are legitimate, there are bigger worries and dangers in not knowing you're carrying and spreading COVID.
I think it's a poor choice to not test and not know, because you're affecting all your friends and family around you, and that's where we get into the problems of continuing to spread.
Clark's spouse works at a state university and says the biggest concern she's heard is that students are choosing not to get tested when they probably should.
My personal experience is that the faculty want protections. The faculty want to know who's sick. They're very concerned about them getting sick and not being able to teach their class.
She hopes employers will show understanding to anyone who needs to quarantine or stay home with a quarantined child.
The vast majority want their employees to be as safe as possible and in a healthy way. If I'm a business, which medicine is still a business, I need healthy, productive workers to do the job. We can do this, but everybody has to be together.
Lauren Daniels, Oklahoma's News 4.
Officials at OSU tell us if a student has to quarantine, faculty members will work with them to deliver course material and help them stay up with the rest of the class. As for faculty, OSU says employee sick leave accruals are available to those who have to quarantine. Both OSU and OU tell us they encourage people to get tested whether they're sick or maybe they were in contact with somebody who was sick. You can read both universities' full statements at KFOR.com.